Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning to all participants. Thanks for coming today on May 11th, 2020 at 10 o'clock a.m. in Srunibi. We are going to do nursing around. I would like to introduce the participants of nursing around today. I'm Najla as the nurse management, and then Mr. Ai and Mrs. Vida as a counselor, Dr. Lulu, Mrs. Farah as a nutritionist, Nurse Nurul and Nurse Mita as primary nurse, and Nurse Rauf as an associate nurse. This nursing around consists of case presentation, continue patient, validation, and back to nurse station for evaluation and recommendation. As for the purpose of this round, to discuss the patient's problem, to plan the right intervention. Our patient is Mr. S, 63 years old, with medical diagnosis neoplasma cerebri with an unresolved nursing problem is risk for ineffective cerebral tissue perfusion and constipation. The time contract for nursing round will be past about 45 minutes. For the next, please Nurse Nurul to explain the case of patient problem.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurse Nurul. I as a primary nurse and I will talk about the Mr. S condition. Mr. S, 93 years old with medical diagnosis neoplasma cerebri. He was admitted in hospital and on April 26, 2020, he was admitted in Serunibi room for proper treatment and care. He was struck for 4 months ago with left side hemiplegia, partial gap and dysarthria. On May 6, 2020, Mr. S experienced hematemesis again. Mr. S had a condition of history of diabetes mellitus and hypertension. The patient does not routinely control and take medication. There is no any significant surgery and all the family are healthy. Mr. S medication is metamizole, omeprazole and sulfaxar. And the nursing diagnosis is risk of ineffection, cerebral tissue perfusion, acute pain and constipation. Then an unresolved patient problem is risk of ineffective cerebral tissue perfusion and constipation. The intervention, the first is monitor vital sign, monitor intracranial pressure, monitor level of consciousness, position with head sickly elevated and in a neutral position, maintain bed rest, quiet provide and relaxing environment, collaboration with doctor about the medication, and the intervention of constipation is assess the patient to take a last 20 grams of dietary fiber, discuss with nutrition about the dietary sources of fiber, explain the patient and caregiver about the diet, and explain to use pharmacological agent as ordered.
Thank you, Nurse Nurul, for the presentation. Before we validate to the patient, maybe any question or clarification?
Nothing, nurse.
Good morning, sir. As our deal yesterday, today we from several healthcare teams want to know about the development of your father's condition.
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir. I'm Miss Nurse Nurul, and these are Dr. Lulu from Neuro and Mr. Farah from Nutrition. How about your father's condition now? Can he defecate, and does he still feel pain in his head?
He can't defecate yet, and he had a half portion earlier.
Nurse, may I do the physical examination?
Oh, yes, of course, nurse.
Excuse me, sir. I want to check your blood pressure, right? Okay. Okay, your blood pressure is 140 per 80 millimeter mercury. Okay, his physical examination result are blood pressure at 140 per 80 millimeter mercury, pulse rate at 90 millimeter per minute, respiration rate at 20 per minute, body temperature at 38 degrees Celsius, and his consciousness A4, verbal 4, and movement 5. The client no longer available to complain again.
Is it enough the validation? If it is enough, we can go back to the nurse station. Sir, because we feel that it is sufficient to see your father's current condition, we will return to the discussion room to discuss the result we get. Good morning, sir. We already done validation to the patient, and now we continue our discuss today. Please, Nurse Rian, report the data to explain the Mr. S condition from the validation.
Okay, I will explain about Mr. S condition from the physical examination. We found the vital sign and pain examination. Heart rate 90 per minute, blood pressure at 140 per 80 millimeter mercury, temperature 38 degrees Celsius, respiration rate at 20 per minute, pain level is 0. Patient still can defecate.
Thank you, Nurse Rian. And then from primary nurse 2, do you have some recommendation or opinion to our patient?
Yes, I have none. I would like to give recommendation for the intervention. Maybe we can do an abdominal massage and collaborate with nutrition for the patient diet.
I think the all of the recommendation from Nasmita are good, and I agree for that. From each profession, please give any advice or adding recommendation for Mr. S. Maybe at first, Dr. Lulu from Neuro.
Okay, thank you, nurse. I will give some advice. The first is increase the patient fiber intake, give a laxative medication, and do a room exercise. Okay.
Thank you, doctor, for your recommendation. And maybe Miss Farah, as a nutritionist, can you give some advice too?
Okay, I totally agree with Dr. Lu's recommendation, and I have some recommendation so we can educate the patient's family that the patient need to modify his intake. So the patient need to eat more fiber and drink plenty of water.
Thank you for all your recommendation. Is there any question?
I think it's clearly enough. All of the recommendation will be documented by me, and I hopefully we can give the implementation in the right way. Thank you.
Okay, if there isn't anything to be clarification again, I will close our discussion today. I hope all of the participants can increase the teamwork to giving optimally health treatment. I also hope that this nursing round can give benefits to patient and family. Amin. Please forgive me if I had a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.